welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm going to be unboxing and then demoing for you these LED diamond bead string lights. Now there are 1,000 LEDs on these string lights. They are for indoor and outdoor use. They are a warm white, ultra bright color. Now you can use them outside, but the actual plug is not weatherproof. So the lights themselves are weatherproof, but the plug is not. So it does let you know the adapter has to be kept indoors or kept out of weather. But the lights themselves are weatherproof, and these are really cool lights with different modes and stuff. And again, I'll be demoing all that in just a minute. The whole string is about 100 meters or 328 feet. So a lot of length of lights. And they have this really cool diamond cut pattern which reflects the light in a really cool way. So let's open the box up here and take them out so we can take a quick look at that pattern. Now you can see they do provide you with I can't think of what these things are called right now, but to attach these to the different things. So that's kind of cool. That's provided in the box. And then you get your little instruction manual as well. And then these are the lights themselves. Now I'm going to unwind this just so I can show you really quickly one of these diamond patterns. So let's see if we can get focused in on that, and you can kind of see the way that that is cut. That is like a different kind of pattern than your usual LED glass. It has like this nice diamond pattern, and that just reflects the light in a lot of different ways to give you a different kind of reflection than what you get from the standard LED bulb cover. So it's going to give you a really, really cool effect when these are lit. And of course, again, you will see that in just a minute. So I just wanted to point that out. You can see the has a really long cord to get to the plug so that you can have these outdoors but have the plug in a safe place out of weather. And it is a standard two-prong plug, and you can see you've got your attachment there. So I did want to point out that the button to control the different modes is here on the plug. On the top of the plug there's a little button, and that's what you use to switch the modes on the lights. So it does come on this nice roll, so you can, when you're done with them, you can roll them back up on there for storage. And yeah, nice dark green wire that will blend in with trees and shrubs and things like that. And yeah, you can see that diamond pattern in those when you look at those. So now let's get the lights off and check these things out in all their glory and the different patterns and things that they can do. So here we have just a small sampling of those lights spread out just so you can see them and see how beautiful they are. The reflection of the light is really nice, that nice warm white tone. Really, really beautiful. And I'm just going to go through the modes here. Right now, obviously, is a solid mode. So here's one of the twinkling light modes. Very nice effect. And you can imagine you have a thousand of those lights spread out either on a tree or Christmas tree or on your shrubs or just different places. Just really, really, really beautiful. Now here's a different mode. It's just like a slightly faster kind of twinkle. Let's go to a next mode. So this is simpler. This is less of a twinkle and more of just jumping through. It jumps from half of them being lit and the other half being lit. You can see it's kind of changing speed as it goes. Goes faster, and then it will go back down to being slow again. So then here's the next mode, and this is fade up. Slowly fades up to the full brightness level, and then it's going to slowly dim to the lowest. And then it's going to switch, and the next ones are going to fade up. So half of them fade up and fade out, and then the other half fade up and fade out. So that's that mode. Let's go to the next mode. So this is just a flashy mode. Flashes, and then it blinks to different ones. You can see it's like a lot of different things. So if you want something that's a little bit more, action is the word that I'm thinking, a little bit more attention getting for some reason, then you have that mode available. And now you have the next mode, and in this mode you've got, I think this is going to go through several different modes. You've got your fade up and your fade out going on. You can see that slowly fades up, slowly fades out. So it looks like with this mode, they're just going to constantly fade up and out without switching. So instead of switching, it's just a constant fade up and fade out. A little bit faster of a fade up and fade out. Yeah, and without switching. And then this is another mode. You can see it's jumping to different lights. Half of them are flashing 3 times, and it switches the other half flash 3 times, and it just goes back and forth that way. So again, a little bit more of an active scene, but depending on where you're putting them and what you want to do, another cool look. And now we're back to the starting point, which is just the solid lights. But as you can see with the lights, they're really, really cool. The way that they reflect is really, really nice. Personally, I kind of like the twinkly. That's one of my favorite modes, probably how I would use these most of the time. But just really, really beautiful, beautiful lights. If you're looking for lights that are nice and bright and give that warm white, and you need a lot of them, and you want them to look like really catch attention with the reflection, the way this diamond cut is on the diamond cut pattern just really makes those lights reflect in a really, really cool, really nice pattern, really nice way. So if you're looking for good lights for Christmas or for any occasion, even just to hang outside, because with the warm white, they'll just give off a lot of nice ambient lighting. So you could also use these for outdoor patios or anything like that. They're really, really nice lights, and definitely a set that I would recommend. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in this product, share this video with them. All those videos are down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, favorite this playlist to keep up with future product reviews. That's going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.